Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook on iPhone. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, to fix a malfunctioning Facebook app on your iPhone, we can go ahead and try to at least force close the app. All right. So, for example, you have the app opened. So what you'll do is just double click on home and then close everything right here. And then after that, go ahead and find the control center, toggle on airplane mode. And then once it's on, wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back off. And once that's done, go ahead and test Facebook and check if it works. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and find your App Store right here. So just tap on App Store, find Facebook, tap on Facebook. And if there's an update button available, go ahead and tap on update, just like here. Okay, update it, and once it's done updating, go ahead and open up Facebook and check if it works. Now, if that still doesn't help fix the issue, what you can do is go ahead and open up your settings and then find General right here. Just tap on General. Now go ahead and go to iPhone storage and then wait for it to load. Once it loads, find Facebook, tap on it. I got to tap on Offload App. Now, once more, tap on Offload App right here. And then once that's done, it may ask you to update the app from here or install it from here. Just install it. If not, you can go ahead over again to your App Store, update it, and once done, check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, sometimes the problem is not your phone, but an outage on Meta's servers. So what you can do is just go ahead over to your favorite browser, and then go ahead over to metastatus.com, right here, again, metastatus.com, and then just look for errors right here. If there is one error, well, that means your iPhone will be having some problems. Okay? So just wait for the outage right here to fix. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up Facebook normally and you should be good to go. That is how you fix Facebook on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.